We are from Group 5. Our title is The Morris Worm. I'm Lim Eugene. Now I will present the history of the Morris Worm. The Morris Worm or Internet Worm was one of the first computer worms distributed via the Internet and the first to gain significant mainstream media attention. It was written by a graduate student at Cornell University, Robert Tabe Morris, and launched on 2nd November 1988 from the computer systems of the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. According to the Morris, the purpose of the worm was to gauge the size of precursor Internet of the time. The worm spread by exploiting vulnerabilities in Unix send email, finger, and RSH reset, as well as by guessing weak passwords.
Hi, I'm Peng Hui, and now I'm going to discuss about the cause of the Morris worm. Actually, the Morris worm was caused by the Morris coding mistake. The worm appears to have been more the result of intellectual curiosity rather than a purposefully destructive cyber attack. To create his worm, Morris exploited known software bug and weak password that no one had worried about enough to fix. Therefore, Morris was trying to build a harmless worm to highlight the security flaws, but an error in the program led to the worm causing a significant amount of disruption, which was the speed of propagation was underestimated. Therefore, the worm quickly reinfected computers over and over again once it released. And in the end, the worm did more damage than Morris had expected.
I'm Badger Yang, and now I will discuss the actions that have been taken when Morris worm happened. When the Morris worm first happened, Robert Taper Morris asked his friends to relay an anonymous message across the internet with a brief apology and guidance for removing the program. And then the Keith Bostick of University of California, Berkeley had taken the lead, developed an interim set of steps to halt its spread. And then an effective and straightforward method of stopping the invading program without altering the system utilities was discovered by the Eugene Howard Spafford from the Purdue University and widely published. And finally, the Berkeley group posted software patches at the same time to mend all the flaws that enable the program to invade system.
Hi everyone, I'm Lee Hon Ting, and now I'm going to explain the phase in SDLC of the Morris worm when the defect occurs. The Morris worm takes place in deployment phase in software development lifecycle. Robert Morris wrote an experimental program which is the Morris worm and inject into the internet. Without experiencing testing phase, the program causes a catastrophic situation on internet on November 1988. So one of the moral from the story is that software testing is necessary and vital in SDLC as the defects in software can be detected early. That's all from me. Thank you.